Okay, so welcome to the next tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to work out what is the reaction force in RL. Now we worked out what RR was and we used moments to do that. Now we don't actually need moments. We can just use this formula in a sense, which says the sum of all forces equals 0. So let's do that. We're going to work left from right. I'll just have to expand this down a bit so we can see what we're doing over here. Right, here we go. I'm going to say sum of all forces equals 0. In this case, I'm going to say anything acting up is a positive force and anything acting down is a negative force. So let's put these forces in. Well, I've got a positive RL to start with. That's a positive because it's going up. The next force acting down is a negative 250. The next force acting down is a negative 750, and the last force that we just calculated is a positive 472.22. So let's punch that into the calculator and see what we get. It's moving that across and clearing. So we've got 250, and that's a negative value, minus 750 plus 472.22 equals. So now we get a value of 500 and, well, a negative 527.78. So that's going to be positive RL, and then a negative 527.78. Alright, now we're not finished yet because we need to take RL onto the other side, and to do that we minus RL from both sides, and that's going to get rid of it on this side, so we end up with negative RL equals negative 527.78 newtons. Now because they're both negative, they become positive, so I can then bring that over and I place it over here as now RL equals 527.78 newtons, and I've worked out what the reaction forces are now acting in my simple beam bridge. That's the end of this tutorial. There's plenty more to come. You can move on to the next.